Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple sounds or songs to Instagram Reels. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you need to open your Instagram app and proceed to making a normal reel. Then tap on Edit Video in the bottom left corner. At the bottom, tap on Add Audio. Now select the first song or sound you want to add. Tap Done when you're done. To add another sound, tap outside the track you just added. Now tap on Add Audio again and select another music. You can add up to 20 sounds or songs to an Instagram reel. Once you've added the new music, you can proceed to editing the music because by default all of them are stacked on top of each other. After you're done with editing the video, you can tap on the arrow button when you're done. Choose your cover and add details as needed. Then tap Share at the bottom to post your video. And that's it. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.